In this video, we're gonna see in introduction the frequency response and stability analysis of the air heat database application using MySQL Server. We're going to use a cloud like Microsoft Azure to store data and using ASP.NET Core for monitoring data. We start with the frequency response and stability analysis of the air heat. In the frequency analysis for the air heat, we need a transfer function for the PE regulator for the process as air heater, for the sensor and the filter. This is the sketch. We are going to use a Bode diagram, a tool for analyzing the stability property of the control system. It consists of two diagrams, the gain and the phase. We're gonna use Ziegler-Nicolai for tuning the P regulator. To analyze the stability of the air heater, we use a Python program. Here is the parameter of the process, that is 3,5, 22, theta, T22. Here is the transfer function of the process, that is the air heater. We put in here and then we put in control. And we find the Buddha where we can the control board. We use that to analyze the stability, and then we calculate the gain margin and then the phase margin, and then frequency and radian using this. And then here have the critical proportional in the P regulator 5.12, and I use that here. So the system will be in the marginal stability, and then we will get this curve. If you see, the gain margin is 0, and then phase margin is 0. The system is in marginal stable, and that's when we change the proportional gain copy to 0.45 times co-critical here, as Ziegler-Nicolai said, we will become 2.3. When I simulate it, then I find that that the step response feedback is become like this, and then the gain margin and the phase margin is like, see, it becomes 6.95 decibel, and this is 55.53 degrees. And this time the heart rate is in a asymptotically stable system. This method I use here for tuning the PU regulator is single method because I start with put the proportional copy same like co-critical, and then we get the marginal stable. Then after that, I change the copy to 0.5 45 times co-criticals. That's where we get this result here. Before we go into the database, I want to show the way I use in the MQTT-X. This is the MQTT-X. If I want to publish message, we write topic here, for example, is try, and this are below, and we send here. That is the way the publishing MQTT. Here we use the Hive key cloud group or server. Here I created a database called temp in Azure SQL database. Here is the server name, and here is the temp resource. And this database, we go into the Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio, and we find this temp server database here, and the database called dp temp here, and then table here which I built. That's and means that the database is deployed in Azure 2 is here. In this video, I learned how to analyze a system by using a board diagram and Python. How can you store data in the cloud and how to use MQTT. That's all. Thank you.